Most people think they know what a car costs, but almost no one calculates the real yearly expenses. Today, we'll break down the full annual cost of owning a car and compare a gasoline vehicle directly to an electric one. Before we start, let's define our assumptions. 12,000 kilometers per year, that's about 7,500 miles. Average European prices. Normal driving behavior. Actual costs vary by country, energy prices, insurance class, and usage. All numbers shown are realistic averages, not extreme cases. US dollar values are approximate equivalents for comparison only. When people talk about car prices, they usually mean the sticker price, but the sticker price is only the starting point. The largest cost of owning a car is depreciation. Let's take a modern mid-range gasoline car with a purchase price of around 40,000 euros. After 5 years, most cars lose around 50% of their value. That means about 20,000 euros are lost, or roughly 4,000 euros per year before you even drive a single kilometer. Now let's calculate fuel costs. Average fuel consumption is 7 liters per 100 kilometers. At 12,000 kilometers per year, that equals 840 liters of fuel annually. At an average European fuel price of around €1.80 per liter, fuel costs reach roughly 1,500 euros per year. In the United States, fuel prices are significantly lower, which can reduce yearly fuel costs by several $100s. Insurance is often underestimated. For a mid-range car with comprehensive coverage, realistic yearly insurance costs are around 900 to 1,200 euros. Vehicle tax adds another 150 to 300 euros per year, depending on engine size and emissions. Let's assume about 1,250 euros per year for insurance and tax combined. Maintenance costs are unavoidable. Oil changes, inspections, brakes, and tires all add up over time. Without major failures, a realistic long-term average is around 800 to 1,200 euros per year. We'll use 1,000 euros per year as a conservative estimate. Let's add everything up for the gasoline car. Depreciation, 4,000 euros. Fuel, 1,500 euros. Insurance and tax, 1,250 euros. Service and repairs, 1,000 euros. That results in a total yearly cost of approximately 7,700 euros, or about 8,300 US dollars. Now let's look at an electric vehicle with a similar purchase price. Depreciation for electric cars varies widely, but on average it is comparable to gasoline vehicles. A realistic estimate is around 4,200 euros per year. Average electricity consumption is 18 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. At 12,000 kilometers per year, that equals roughly 2,160 kilowatt hours annually. At an average European electricity price of around 0.35 euros per kilowatt hour, electricity costs reach about 750 euros per year, or roughly 800 US dollars. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts. No engine oil, no exhaust system. Reduced brake wear. As a result, service and repair costs are often lower. A realistic estimate is around 600 euros per year. In many European countries, vehicle tax for electric vehicles is reduced or zero. Let's add everything up for the electric vehicle. Depreciation, 4,200 euros. Electricity, 750 euros. Insurance, around 1,000 euros. Vehicle tax, 0 euros. Service and repairs, 600 euros. That results in a total yearly cost of approximately 6,500 euros, or about 7,000 US dollars. Electric cars are not automatically cheap, but when you look at full yearly ownership costs, they often have a measurable advantage. The key takeaway is simple. Don't look at the sticker price. Look at the cost per year. This was real car facts. Facts over hype.